In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a password for closed books in QuickBooks Online. This is an essential step to help safeguard your financial records and ensure that only authorized changes are made to your books. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First things first, we'll start by navigating to the gear icon, which you'll find conveniently located at the top right of your QuickBooks Online screen. This little gear is your gateway to account settings and more, so give it a click and we'll move forward from there. Once you click the gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From here, you'll select Account and Settings. This section is the control center for all the intricate settings that dictate how your QuickBooks operates. Taking the time to familiarize yourself with these options can really help fine-tune your experience and keep everything running smoothly. Now, let's head over to the Advanced tab within the Account and Settings area. This section houses the more sophisticated features of your QuickBooks setup. Once there, look for the Accounting section. There you'll find the key option we're targeting today, setting your books to close. To proceed, click on the Accounting section to edit it. This will reveal more options. In this expanded view, you'll now see the option to close the books. Closing your books is a vital step, as it locks in your financial data and prevents unauthorized adjustments from being made backward in time. Check the box next to this option, which will prompt a date field to materialize. In this field, input the closing date you wish to set, marking the end of your financial period. Below the closing date, there's a crucial drop-down menu. Click on it and select the option, Allow changes after viewing a warning and entering password. This setting is particularly useful because it provides a warning for any attempt to change the data prior to the closing date. A password will also be required, adding an extra layer of security. Now, let's get to the important part, creating your password. Choose a combination that's secure, something that's not easily guessed yet easy for you and any other authorized users to remember. Once your password is entered, be sure to store it safely. With everything set up, go ahead and click Save. This action ensures that your new settings are locked in and ready to go. And that's all there is to it. With the password protection now in place, anytime someone tries to make a change to the period before your closing date, they'll receive a warning and will need to enter the password to proceed. That's all it takes to enhance the security of your financial records in QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching, and hopefully, this simple yet powerful tool proves effective in protecting your data.